Now, do you want a part? Where do you want the part of the carrot? Where? 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 Where shall I put it? On the spoon? Okay, here it comes, a part of a carrot. On the spoon. Oh, it went in her mouth. Part of a carrot went from the spoon into her mouth.
Oh wow, Emily, you're eating all Tanjalina's carrots.
I bet she wants another part of it. Another part of a carrot? You sure you don't want a tree?
No.
You don't want a tree?
Yeah, I think she ate many trees.
You want a part of a carrot?
Tree.
She's eating all my parts of carrot. What do you want? A part of a carrot? Where? On the spoon? Are you going to put it in your mouth after that? Oh, you want it on the spoon? Okay, hold it still. There it is. Oh no, it fell off the spoon.
This game has been going like this for about 10 minutes, and Emily ate many carrots and
no, parts of carrots.
Parts of carrots and parts of trees. I mean broccoli. Many.
Broccoli?
Broccoli?
Well, I wonder what she's going to want next.